Hello, today we have to create a function with two arguments that will return an array of the first multiples of x. And we have to return the results as a list. So let's actually change the arguments to number and number of times, which is more describing. So first of all, we have to iterate for x in the range number of times. Print x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not actually what I'm looking for. What I want to have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we have the number 100 and I want to perform the following operation. 100 multiplied by 1 is 100. 100 multiplied by 2 is 200. 100 multiplied by 3 is 300, and so on and so forth. So range can take multiple arguments. So we have to start with 1 instead of the default 0. And the number of times should be increased with 1 as well. To have a list starting from 1 till 5. There we have it. And from here we have to multiply the number with the x. Multiply by the number. Well, as you can see, those are the results that we are looking for, but we have to append them to a list. So let's create an empty list here. Result is empty list. And we have to append the result. Result.append. And ultimately we have to return the result. There we have it. And of course we can include this in one line with the list comprehension. So we can return this operation for this iteration. And there we go. Let's test it out. Excellent. Hope this video has been useful. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.